You know what I really dislike? Cleaning my microwave. And you know what? This isn't really all that bad, but this is about the time that I clean it, and I wanted to try something new to me anyways. I've seen this before. I want to give it a shot and see how it works. Check it out. Here's all you're gonna need is a bowl with some warm water and some baking soda. And I'm gonna put about 2 spoonfuls in here. The exact measurements aren't important. Maybe something like that. And you just wanna mix this together. And if you wanted the microwave to smell nice, you can replace the baking soda with lemon. Use a full lemon, squeeze it in there. I don't happen to have a lemon, so I'm gonna try this method. So I'm gonna mix that up good, and then we're just gonna put it in the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes. With this one, I'll do 4 minutes. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna steam up in there, and all that steam is I'm gonna let it sit, and hopefully it's gonna break through all the grime in there. So we'll let that go and see how we did after. Okay. Now I'm kind of tempted to just leave this in and let it sit. Let's see if there's steam. Oh, looking at steam. That's cool. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. So you can let that sit for however long you want, but it looks like we got steam here. Cool. So I'm gonna carefully take this out. It's probably hot. Oh, it's stuck. Ugh. It's stuck to the grime. And then I'm gonna grab some paper towels. Let's see if this stuff will come off. I know for a fact that if I just use some cleaner, I would have to scrub that. I'm hoping it'll just wipe right off. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's sweet. Let's check back here. See how this comes off. Okay. Maybe this was a little more greasy than I thought. It seems like it's working. That's definitely working. I'll take this out and I can wash that in the sink. Take that out. And now I'll take some more paper towels and dip it in this steaming hot water, and I'll use that to clean as well. All on the bottom here. Get these little pieces out. And dipping in the hot water is working well, and I'm not having to like scrub this like I normally would. Just wiping it down a little bit. And obviously it's working. The door too. I'm gonna put this back in. I got that all nice and clean. And just one more time before I give it a final wipe down, I'm gonna put this in for, I don't know, another 3 minutes. And I should be able to take some clean paper towels and just give it a final wipe down. You could let this sit there and steam depending on how dirty your microwave is. Mine wasn't that bad. I'm just gonna do a final wipe down. And if you look in here, nice. I went, steamed everything. Again, be careful taking this out. And you could use this water to clean other things too. It's nice and hot. And now all I wanna do is just wipe this dry and get any of the extra stuff off of here. There's still some left over, but this is just working way better than how I used to clean it. You don't have to use any kind of harsh chemicals or anything inside your microwave. This is all nice and safe. Well, I gotta say, that worked really good. As you can see, it was kind of nasty before, but not the worst ever. So if you wanted to try this method, let me know in the comments how well it worked for you and if yours was really dirty. I think that's how I'm going to clean it from now on. It worked well. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.